Before the big day, the groom has his own journey. Here's everything he needs to do to be ready for the wedding of a lifetime. The groom tests different suits to find the perfect look for the big day. He chooses the suit that feels right the moment it becomes real. A fresh haircut, clean, sharp, ready for the moment she walks down the aisle. Details matter. He chooses the tie, shoes, and accessories that complete the look. Choosing the wedding band, a small circle with a lifetime of meaning. He practices the first dance because he wants it perfect for her. He writes vows from the heart, every word chosen for her. They explore venues together, searching for the place their forever begins. He joins the tastings, especially choosing the perfect drinks for the celebration. He helps build the wedding website, their story, their photos, their day. He makes sure guests feel welcome, arranging comfortable places to stay. He books wedding transportation stylish, smooth, right on time. He grows with her, preparing not just for the wedding, but for the marriage. A groom's journey is full of love, preparation, and purpose. And when the moment arrives, he's ready.